Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will give you the keys to successfully set up mobile credential access using LiftMaster Video Intercom systems and smart readers. We'll break the process down into 3 parts: overview of Smart Video Intercoms and compatible mobile credential readers, how to set up your intercoms and readers, and how to manage and monitor resident access. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Let's dive in. Mobile credential access can be implemented in many combinations to best suit the needs of your property. Let's look at examples of which hardware makes sense for which kind of secured entrance. For the main entrance of an apartment building or multi-dwelling unit, the typical hardware for using mobile credentials will be a Smart Video Intercom. CAP-XM and CAP-XS Smart Video Intercoms can be set up to allow direct use of mobile credentials via Bluetooth signal. CAP-XLV Smart Video Intercoms require the addition of a smart reader in order to use mobile credentials. For other secured entrances around the building, such as mailrooms, fitness centers, or elevators, a smart reader is the right fit. These readers need to be connected to a nearby smart intercom or to a CAP-2D. Each CAP-XLV can connect up to 4 smart readers. Each CAP-XM can connect up to 2 smart readers. And the CAP-XS can connect to a single smart reader. Smart readers come in 2 models: Standard Model SRD-RST and Keypad Model SRD-RKP. Each box comes with the smart reader, an instruction sheet, mounting plate, and hardware. On the back of the smart reader, you'll find the label with the serial number. It's helpful to take a picture of this because you'll need it later. To prevent Bluetooth interference, do not install smart readers within 10 feet of each other or within 10 feet of a smart video intercom that has mobile credentials enabled. We recommend the use of 18-gauge shielded wire. The maximum distance between the smart reader and the device it's connected to cannot exceed 500 feet. Be sure to comply with local building codes when routing the cables. To mount the smart reader, hold the mounting bracket up to the desired location and mark the screw holes. Use the provided hardware to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Now, splice the wires from the smart reader to the wires provided at the site. The colors of the wires may not match those of the smart reader, so make sure you note what color wires you're connecting to. It's a good idea to take a photo for reference. Once you complete the wiring, slide the smart reader onto the mounting bracket and secure at the bottom with the provided screw. Now, complete the wiring at the other end. If you're connecting to a smart video intercom, power it down first. Inside the unit, locate the door board with the Wiegand connectors. Remove the terminal block, making sure to observe the markings on the board. Wires from the smart reader align to the Wiegand connections as follows: red wire to power 12 volts, black wire to ground, bare to shield, green wire to data 0, white wire to data 1, blue wire to green, orange wire to red. If the wire colors at the site are different, please refer to the photo you took so you can match the wires to the correct terminals. Insert the wires in the correct terminal holes and tighten the screws. Then, reattach the terminal block to the board. Reconnect power to the Smart Video Intercom. When powered on, the reader's light will display green, blue, red, green, yellow, followed by 4 green blinks, then back to red. Red means the unit is connected correctly and ready to be used. Now we need to enable the reader in MyQ Community. First, log into your MyQ Community account via account.myq.com. Click the drop-down to select your community you want to update. Click on Devices on the left-hand side and select your installed device. Click Advanced Settings. Click About and then Update Firmware. Be aware your device may restart during the update. Download speeds will depend on bandwidth. Click Mobile Credential Settings. Click to enable the LiftMaster Smart Reader. Enter your serial number. Your serial number can be found on the back of the reader or in your MyQ app. Next, you will need to select the types of access you'd like to enable. There are 3 options. Tap Access allows residents to use their phone as a digital key card to access the unit. Touch Access allows residents to unlock the door by touching the smart reader with their hand when their phone is in their pocket. Alert Access allows residents to unlock the door using a notification sent to their mobile app. You can choose to enable as many access options as you see fit, depending on the needs of your property. Enabling integrated Bluetooth allows for use of mobile credentials without a reader. In this setting, only Tap Access and Alert Access are available. With access types enabled, you need to grant access to yourself and to residents. First, confirm your own access by clicking on the People tab. Choose your profile. Under App Invite, if it says Send, click to invite yourself. If it says Accepted, you already have access and no other action is required. If an email is received, follow the prompts in the email invite to download the app and set up your account. You can now test the access by approaching the unit with your mobile device. The MyQ Community app must be running in the background on your mobile device. Open the app and log in. Make sure to allow the app Bluetooth access. You can complete the rest of the tests from your lock screen. Make sure the phone is within Bluetooth distance of the reader. To test touch, use your hand to touch the smart reader in the area directly under the light bar. The door will unlock. To test tap, hold the phone up to the reader. The door will unlock. To test alert, move away from the door, looking at the screen of your phone as you approach the door. A notification will appear. Press the notification to unlock the door. For smart readers with keypads, enter the PIN associated with your dealer profile. Press pound. The door will open. Once you or your team have confirmed the unit is working, return to the People tab on your MyQ Community account. At the top of the screen, select Mobile App License Management. Then click Assign Mobile App License. From here, you can select individual names or a group of names from your People list. Once selected, scroll to the bottom left of the page and click Send License. This will send notifications and invites to the selected residents. They can now begin using their mobile device for access. For more information, visit support.partner.liftmaster.com. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.